Hi there, it's Brooke and I'm in Lincoln's room. This is the east room in the house, one of my son's bedrooms, and we did a little bit of rearranging here lately. They were together and then we separated them. And when we were separating them, we said, wow, these walls are in need of a paint job. The one in here, the walls were like a timber wolf gray, and I had patched some holes and repainted them, and I don't know if I didn't stir the paint well enough or what, but that was glossy and the rest of the room was matte. So it looked. So we decided to paint. Both the boys decided to paint their rooms and they both wanted a dark color. And I was like, not feeling the dark color. So I was like, please, let's do something else. Let's think of something else. And so I found some paint swatches on Pinterest and kind of said, which ones do you like? We'll do one wall the dark color and then the other 3 walls the lighter color. And they were both very excited about that because then they got their dark wall and Mom got her light walls to keep the place more airy and bright for them. So I will put a screenshot of the paint swatch up here that we did use, and then when I'm going through the tour I'll tell you what colors and stuff I use. But to give you a little history of the room, when we moved into this house 12 years ago, this room was pink, and I'll have pictures to kind of show you the progression of the room. And then so we painted it kind of a creamy tanny beigey color. And then my oldest son Oliver had his nursery in here. So it was like a safari themed nursery. And then when he was about 3-ish, 2 to 3, he became completely obsessed with robots. So then we changed his room, his toddler room when he got a toddler bed, into a robot room. And so then we painted it like a timber wolf gray. It was a super, super pale gray, almost light, to kind of look like a robot. And so he grew up, he had the robot room, and then him and his brother lived together in this room when they were toddlers. And then they separated, and then last summer they wanted to live together again. And so they've been living together since then, and then just over Christmas time here, they decided they want more of their own space again. So Oliver's always lived in this east room, but now Lincoln lives in here. They wanted to switch rooms too, so we did that. So I have some pictures that you'll see of kind of the progression of the room until now. And then after that, I have me prepping the room, and I'm showing you the paint and different things like that. And then after that, it'll be the tour. So I hope you enjoy this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you throughout the video. Okay, I wanted to give you a quick little tour of the room before I start any major things. My son helped me take these all off this morning before he went to school, and I'm going to go through and just putty holes. We have the holes from the curtain rods and then a few nail holes. And while we are painting this room, let's see if I can get you to see it, is I had filled holes before. Oh, there you can kind of see it. And the paint, I used the same paint, but it's like shiny, like the walls are like a different color. So we got a bunch of spots, and then there's just a bunch of rough marks from kids living in here. So that's what I'm gonna do over the next course of a couple of days, is get this room painted and get this room looking a little nicer for my son. Okay, here's my Dutch Boy DuraClean. I got the good. She said there was good, better, and best. I got good. So I'm gonna open it up, and this is supposed to be in the brush, and this is his accent wall. So that's what it looks like in the lid. There's what it looks like on the paint stick. Here's it in the rolling pan. I'm going to put it up on the wall. So I'm going to set you down, get my roller filled, and then roll a strip on the wall for you. Here we go, moment of truth. Ooh. Definitely different. I think he's gonna like it. Okay, here's the second color paint. This is called Dove Wings. And this is gonna be the other three walls. Ooh. So that's what it looks like in the lid. Here's the pail. I'll bring you a little closer. There you can see it's kind of a creamy color. And then the other, it's a light gray in here now. So there's that. And here's the first look at Lincoln's room. The bright, shiny sun. So he has a east-facing window, so we get all the morning sun in here. So when you first come into his room, you see his bed, his desk, and that's his colored accent wall, and that's called In the Brush. And then, so I'll give you a close-up here. It's like a greeny gray color. And then the other walls are called Dove Wings. And I thought it was more of a cream, but it's like a cream gray color. It's pretty light, pretty neutral. So once again, pictures from Hobby Lobby. He kind of wanted to do like a ranch cowboy kind of look in here. I think he was a rancher in another lifetime because he's really into that kind of stuff. And he's also been building Legos at his desk here. Desk I got at clearance a long time ago at Target. He has the same comforter from Amazon. His is gray. And then I also got him like a faux rabbit fur pillow from Target. And he has the L with the frame from Hobby Lobby. And then of course he has a couple picture frames and poster frames in here too that he just had to have. These curtains are from Walmart. They're a 2-pack, and these are like a tan or a brown like weave, and then just a black curtain rod from Target. The curtains came in a 2-pack. They are sun blocking somewhat, and they were only $15 for the pair. So I thought that was a good deal. They're not perfect, but they do the job. Okay, Lincoln, what's in your big box? Ooh, but be careful.
Nice.
Ooh.
What's up? Ooh, oh, this is nice. Hey, Mom. Woo. Hello.
Like that bigger than that purple one?
Here, let's check.
Or is it the same thing? Oh, it's kind of like...
Oh, it says it's 32XL times 28W times 25. So length is 32, width is 28, and height is 25. So it's bigger. So then this is, you can carry it around.
And it's like slippery, so if you spill anything on it, it should wipe up good.
And then look, you got Big Joe here.
Yeah, there's like is there a pocket on that one?
Where?
Oh, there was a side pocket on one of them we were looking at.
No, you do got Big Joe.
Just Big Joe. And then Lincoln really wanted kind of a hangout nook. So we found the Big Joe beanbag chair off of Walmart.com. So he got that, and he's been hanging out in that. And then we had this up when they shared a room, and Lincoln just thought it looked good over there in his corner. So we put that up, and here is Lincoln's bookshelf. He just has a bunch of his collection, his books, his, you know, things he's gotten at different places. And then over on this side is his bookshelf. Why do I keep calling the dresser a bookshelf? This is his bookshelf. I picked up this little basket for his books at Hobby Lobby. And then the picture, the bull picture, the longhorn is from Hobby Lobby too. And then he just put one of his hats up here. And then this is his dresser, and it's just from a local furniture shop. And let's see if I can give you a better, so there's the kind of dove wings it's called. And then in the brush, you can kind of catch the green off of here. So here's Lincoln's room. Fun little boy room that combines things that Mom likes and things that he likes. So I hope you enjoyed Lincoln's room redo and reveal. I hope you got some inspiration on how to have a room that's good for your kids, but then also, you know, pleases Mom's aesthetic and kind of matches the rest of the house. I'm super happy with the accent wall and then the lighter walls. I love the look of it. I'm so happy we did that. So I hope you gained some inspiration and maybe motivation if your paint needs to be redone. My husband did help me, and it went pretty good for most part. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.